G'day everyone, it's Chris from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. I've been a professional tiler for 35 years and we're about to finish off another bathroom. I'm about to silicone it. I'm just moving around so everyone can have a look. These are the cool bathrooms that I do all the time for people. It always, I always have happy chappy customers. I'll just pop this on my head and we'll get into it. If there's anything you want to know, just press on the button, subscribe, enter a question in the comments, and I'll endeavour to get back to you. So I always start at the top, work down, it's something you mustn't be scared of, silicone. If you've got soapy water and a paddle pop stick, you can do anything. Just give it a spray. Then you pull out that little sucker. Start at the top. That paddle pop stick gives you the exact curve. Wipe your excess off. Today I'm just using a piece of tile. I usually use a old silicone container, tube, but I haven't got one. So, see, when you have excess on your tile, just wipe it off. Coming down to the bottom, I'll wipe that off. Don't forget that sucker, you've always got it in your toolbox. Right, we go down and turn. Makes such a nice corner. And then you go in. Beautiful. Absolute beautiful. I've probably got a little bit too much soap in my spray bottle, but it doesn't matter. I've got a bit of excess grout. There, we'll just scrape that off while I see it. Just check that for excess grout. All good. Let's do it. Start at the top. It won't take you long to get the hang of things, to get the flow. I'm putting the silicone in a little bit rougher so I can show you what happens. Just give it a spray. Now it doesn't matter how rough you put it in. See, I've got a bit of an excess up there, so you just change your pedal pop stick around the other way. So your pedal pop stick gives you the straight line. You can't get it as good with your finger. That you use your finger sometimes just to smooth it off. Last thing. But with a pedal pop stick, it's touching both sides, and that's how you get your straight line. You can't do that with your finger. Nearly at the bottom. Stop, turn. Beauty boy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I come out every 2 days now. Ask me a question, I'll do my best to answer. But the main thing is to subscribe, and then you won't miss a program. I didn't wipe off very well there. Bit ordinary. But no biggie. You want to have your corners that you're going to silicone pretty good. As in no grout sticking out. It mucks up your silicone flow. Hunky dory. Wipe my nozzle clean. Then now that I've cleaned my internal corner, I can just whiz down.